The first step of the solution is getting your ideal database and populating that with addresses. This could be a database of existing customers, old customers to re-engage, people on your database you maybe don't have addresses of, or this could be an entire fresh database we build for you from scratch and populate with those decision makers' physical mail addresses at their business. Now that we have your database of your ideal decision makers with their business address, now we can engage them with a physical letter in the mail. So why a physical letter to engage your customers is the first step? Well, in a fully digital world, customers are constantly being engaged initially on digital channels. We're talking on bombardment of emails with a full inbox. We're talking 10 cold calls a day. Now with the rise of AI, there's ridiculous things we're seeing like video and multi-step emails and that tying into LinkedIn. Don't even get me started on how full LinkedIn inboxes are, as I'm sure you know. We are passionate and believe analog is going to come back in a big way to stand out. Analog and physical letters to engage your customers is going to be more powerful than ever with all the digital touch points around us. So what makes this different from regular print media you may receive, like flyers and promotional material? Well, the key difference is the intrigue we use. We design our letter in a way that we want to optimize it to be opened. We want it to look like a wedding invite or something that doesn't look like the standard promotional material you receive. Thousands of companies are sending promotional material right now, and it generally ends up in the trash because it looks like exactly that, promotional mail selling you things. Our letter will design to look personalized. We'll use a line of personalization to that individual. We'll address it to them in handwritten font. And the whole beauty of this campaign is then how we tie a digital touch point to an analog funnel. What's so cool about this strategy is how we can tie in digital steps into the analog letter. Within the letter, we'll have a QR code on there. Once the recipient scans that QR code, which people are so familiar with doing these days, a series of digital steps will kick off. We'll drive them to a landing page which can address them by their first name, so the landing page can be personalized. There can be a video in that landing page, and there can even be a calendar integration where the appointment can be made straight away. So through our analog letter, we're digitally tying in multiple steps to engage the consumer and book the appointment to a sales lead. If you think this could apply for you guys, whether this is event invites, whether this is re-engagement campaigns to old databases, old leads, whether this is for prospecting to new leads, if you think there's merit in trying this campaign, let us know. Make an appointment with me below in my calendar or send me an email. I'd love to talk to you guys, learn about your goals, and see if it's a fit. Thanks a lot.